He go bzzz.
Rhino.
Do they roar?
It's not roaring.
The little bitty ants roar?
No.
No?
Not roaring.
The porcupines?
No.
How about the lions?
It's good. It's good roar.
Very good.
It's lion goes. Wow! That's right.
Roar!
He's taking a picture of me.
He is. Look, he's so beautiful. What does he say? What does this guy say? The bee. What does the bee say?
49.
How does the bee go?
Goes.
How?
Mommy.
Can you do the bee?
I want to. You try.
You try.
You try.
You try.
You try.
No, I didn't see it. Do it. Try. Yeah, very nice. You try.
You try.
You try.
You try.
You try.